Hi, beautiful, spicy family. Welcome to D-Don Kitchen. Guess what, guys? D-Don is in the kitchen to do what? Yes, you always get it. Glazed blueberries fritters. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, if you are new here, hi, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Don upload a video. And to all my YouTubers, supporters, subscribers, and followers, a big warm welcome to you all. Let's get started. 1 cup flour, all purpose. 1/3 cup powdered sugar, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon white sugar or granulated sugar, 1 cup of milk. I'm using the almond milk unsweetened, and 1/2 cup to 1 cup of cooking oil. You can use whatever oil you need or you have an hand. And the star of the show is the blueberries, and the blueberries is looking like this, and this is the blueberries right there. So when you go to buy, you look for blueberries. And this is like 1.5 cups of blueberries. And of course you need a pinch of nutmeg. This is the nutmeg I'm using. If you buy an old nutmeg, it look like this. In a bowl, we're gonna combine our wet ingredient. And I just wanna whip the egg. Now you're gonna add the milk in. We're gonna add the vanilla. I'm just gonna set this aside. Flour, baking powder, cornstarch, my salt get wet, but I'm still using it. Let's see the sugar. Just gonna scrape the salt in. Combine the flour with the wet ingredient, with our salt, the baking powder, all the dry ingredients that you see. If you combine them with the wet ingredient, and ensure that you mix it to ensure no lump is in it. And grate the nutmeg, if you are making the blueberry fritters and you need to add more, you need to make more, all you can do, guys, is double the ingredient. I just don't need a lot of this right now. And we're gonna add the blueberries in. You can break like 1 or 2 and put it in, but you don't want to break too much because we don't want this to be too dark. And here I leave back some of the blueberries. So after this skillet is heated, we're gonna come in with a oil. So we're just gonna place them in. You're just gonna give space so you can move them around. Once you see the edges becoming golden brown, then you're gonna flip them over. Let's turn the fire down so it don't burn. So now we're just gonna turn the fritters over. So basically it takes like 3 to 4 minutes to fry until it becomes golden brown. After 4 minutes, we're gonna test on this side to see if it's ready. So guys, sometimes when you fry your fritters, once you put the press on it and you feel like the flour pulses from the top, you know it's not fried. So you have to give it some more time. So you see I'm pressing on this right now. And you see no flour is coming. All you can see is on the juices from the blueberries. So see I'm pressing and no pulping. So now we're just gonna remove it from the oil. Before you move it from the oil, you have to have a piece of napkin. Yeah, you need a napkin, and you're gonna take it from the hot oil and you're gonna place it on the napkin so it can drain on and keep the crispiness. And this is crispy. You hear it? So what causes it to be crispy like this is the cornstarch with the baking powder. So you take it out and you put it on the napkin, just like that. Both sides is golden brown. After you fry the fritters, guys, you can even tap on them with a piece of napkin so you can absorb. But the napkin though, it absorbs some of the oil from it. You see? Just tap on it. Flip it over. Tap on it. Absorb out some of the oil. It's time to make the glaze. Remember the blueberries we have left back? Just put it on in this container. And I'm gonna pour the powdered sugar on it. Cinnamon powder. So this is a glaze, guys. So easy and simple from D-Don Kitchen. So now we're gonna put our glaze over on blueberry fritters. I just wanna add it over on them. Like that. So this is it, guys. Our blueberry glazed fritters is now ready for eating. Ain't it looking delicious? So go ahead and give it a try. I'm telling you guys, once you do this recipe, you won't regret it. You won't stop. So don't forget to like the video. Share the video with your friend, your co-worker, family. Support D-Don Kitchen. Give a like, a thumbs up. Always give a thumbs up. Subscribe, share, and I love you. I see you on the next one. You want me to taste it for now? Alright. Let me show you. A little piece of crispy. You see how crispy it look on the outside? Look at this. It's so crispy. little crispy it and in the lock. Look at how blueberries inside. Look at the blueberries. The recipe you can't never want to miss. Now go ahead guys and give it a try. The inside well soaked, it's not raw, crispy on the outside, soft and tender and yummy on the inside. So give it a try, I know you will love it. Thank you for watching guys. Look at all of those syrup dripping, man. You lick your finger. Well, thank you for watching Dee Dan Kitchen. Take care of yourself, and above all, let us be our brother's keeper. From my kitchen to your kitchen, Dee Dan say peace and love. I see you on the next one. Bye for now.